Double-hung windows Dallas installation, Texas, offers a range of benefits for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. With a variety of double-hung window styles available, residents can choose from vinyl double-hung windows or wood double-hung windows to match their home's design. Professional window installers in Dallas ensure a seamless installation process, providing a window installation warranty for peace of mind. Energy-efficient windows in Dallas TX are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Insulated window solutions and double-hung window efficiency are key factors in selecting the right windows. Window glass options, including low-E coatings and double glazing, contribute to the overall energy performance of the windows. Window replacement services in Dallas cater to homeowners needing to upgrade their existing windows. With custom window solutions, residents can select from a wide range of window frame materials and window hardware options to suit their specific needs. Window replacement cost in Dallas varies depending on the materials and features chosen, but affordable window options are available to fit any budget. Residential window services in Dallas include window repair experts who can address any issues with existing windows. Window maintenance services ensure that windows remain in optimal condition, extending their lifespan and maintaining their performance. Regular maintenance can prevent costly repairs and enhance the overall appearance of the home. Custom window solutions in Dallas provide homeowners with the opportunity to personalize their windows to match their unique style and preferences. Double-hung window upgrades can include advanced features such as improved locking mechanisms and enhanced insulation. Window design consultation services help homeowners make informed decisions about their window choices. Double-hung windows Dallas benefits include improved ventilation, ease of cleaning, and classic aesthetics. Double-hung window features such as tilt-in sashes and durable construction make them a practical choice for any home. Double-hung window aesthetics in Dallas can be tailored to complement both traditional and modern architectural styles. Window repair experts in Dallas are skilled in addressing a variety of window issues, from broken glass to malfunctioning hardware. Prompt and professional repairs can restore the functionality and appearance of windows, ensuring they continue to perform effectively. Window maintenance services in Dallas help prevent future problems and extend the life of windows. Affordable window options in Dallas provide cost-effective solutions for homeowners looking to replace or upgrade their windows. Vinyl double-hung windows are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. Wood double-hung windows offer a timeless look and can be customized with various finishes and stains. Window frame materials in Dallas include options such as vinyl, wood, aluminum, and fiberglass. Each material offers unique benefits from energy efficiency to aesthetic appeal. Professional window installers in Dallas can provide guidance on selecting the best material for your specific needs and preferences. Double-hung windows Dallas brands offer a wide selection of high-quality products to choose from. Reputable brands provide reliable performance and long-lasting durability, ensuring that homeowners receive the best value for their investment. Window installation warranty in Dallas offers additional protection and peace of mind for homeowners.